Hey there, guys and gals. It's Jim back here with another video today. Got pretty much quite a bit accomplished between last night and today, so I thought I'd come back here, kind of show you the next level what's going on. Since this morning, I got the bottom, the pontoon, put the pontoon all buttoned up. I don't have the lights down there hooked up to the power supply right now because I'm not working on those. There's your bottom strobe. There's a strobe. That's going to be the strobe underneath the main body. Got that installed on there. Um, got it all white blocked, covered over with tulip. Otherwise, if you don't, you're going to have strobing effect in your windows. The little tiny plastic windows, you don't really have the option of gluing them in with plastic cement. What I did, I set them in there. They're pretty loose fitting, so they will fall out pretty easy. What I did, I set them in there. Then I ran a bead of canopy glue around the outer edge and around the inner edge of them, and that'll hold them in place just fine. Um, I got my, like I said, I got my LED. That's the one for the strobe. That's a 603 SMD and all that. Canopy glued that to the inside of the clear lens piece. And after everything dried, then I went over it with the tulip to cover it up so there's no light shining through and flashing in anything you don't want. Basically, the wiring on this is pretty much compared to a tree. You start out with your main power leads coming in. If you go back to my previous video, those branch out into from 4 leads to 8 leads. I've got my wiring. I'm using colored wire. My green and white is for my strobe lights. My red and white is for my constant on, the navigation lights in the windows and stuff like that. Excuse me. So pretty much now what you're going to be doing is branching off of all these wires. These two cables, these two wires are for the top of my pontoon, for the front and rear strobe on top of the pontoon. So pretty much this is like a tree. Now that you got your 4 leads, because you got stuff on both sides, and rather than stretching wires from one end to another, everything on this side will be wired up on this side. Everything on this side will be wired up on this side. The rest will get tied into either side. So pretty much what you're going to be doing, you're going to be branching off of these because you got a navigation light on top of the front end of the cell. You got a strobe light in the rear, so you're gonna splice another one set of wires into these for your strobe. You're gonna splice another set of wire for your front navigation light on in the cell. You're also gonna splice into here your wire for this LED. You're gonna splice into these for your rear, those two corner pieces. You got the navigation light on each corner here that lights up on the bottom of this hull piece. Those are those clear plastic parts. You got you're gonna also splice in to run wires up. I got them marked off. There's two openings on the top piece where you got access to do wiring. So I got them marked off. I just went in there with a Sharpie and traced inside the little circle. You're going to run wires into here, have them coming up through the top part of the hull, the main body, so you can hook up your upper lights. What I'm going to do is I wanted to show you what I got, what you should start out with when you get to this level. So you start out with the first floor, this is the second floor, then you got your third floor, boom, then you put your top of your saucer on, and you're done. So I wanted to show you what I got basically coming out of each side through the pylons. They give you there's openings in there where you can run your wires and stuff. You don't want to use real heavy wire in here either, because you only got about maybe a 1/4 inch space between the upper and lower half of this. So when you close it up, You don't want nothing that's going to be too bulky where you won't be able to close it up right. So I wanted to show you what I got here, and then when I finish everything up on this level, I'll come back with another video to show you everything, what it should look like, what's lit up, and what wires I have to go through to the next stage and everything. So for now, but that's what's going on. So it'll probably be another day. Work on this tonight, tomorrow, maybe tomorrow or Saturday. I'll have my next video up and stuff, so you guys can see what this looks like before I put the top on here and start wiring up the final parts. So for now, that's going to do it. Just wanted to do this quick update with you, the progress video, and all that. Oh, another thing I did, the little tabs that this part of the body sits on, there's two little long tabs. They're not real snug fitting, and there's a little bit of a gap and everything on one side. So besides my liquid cement on one side, I took a couple pieces of sprue and reinforced those joints and everything to make them a lot stronger and hold together a lot better and everything. So I did that on both sides and all that. So, and it still leaves me plenty of room to mount my top on without them interfering with anything. So I think they're from a Bandai kit. They're, like I said, they're real thin pieces of sprue, which Bandai is known for. So, but for now, that's going to do it. So hope this has been helpful to everybody out there that wants to build one of these. Now I see why round two isn't doing a plug and play lighting kit for this, because it would be a lot of SMDs, a lot of very fine wiring, and there's just I don't think that's something that they really plan on getting into. So for now, that's going to do it. So till the next time, I want to thank all my subscribers. Thanks to all my new subscribers. Thanks for hitting the like button. Thanks for the great comments you guys been leaving me. Thanks for following along with this build and some of my other videos and all that. And everybody take care out there. Stay cool. Stay safe. And we'll talk to you soon with another update as soon as I get this level finished up. Bye.